Micro-greenhouses are a fantastic way for both beginner and experienced gardeners to extend their growing season. They are essentially miniature greenhouses, perfect for small gardens, balconies, or even windowsills. These structures create a controlled environment that protects your plants from harsh weather conditions and pests. A micro-greenhouse can be as simple or as elaborate as you like, from a basic DIY structure to a more sophisticated store-bought model. Regardless of your budget or DIY skills, there's a micro-greenhouse solution out there for everyone. Imagine stepping outside your door and into your own miniature world of thriving greenery. With a micro-greenhouse, you can cultivate fresh, homegrown produce almost year-round. Whether you dream of fresh herbs in the winter or an early start to your spring vegetable garden, a micro-greenhouse could be the perfect addition to your gardening arsenal. Micro-greenhouses offer a multitude of benefits for gardening enthusiasts. They extend your growing season and protect from the elements. Start seeds earlier in spring and grow well into fall. Wind, rain, hail, and frost are no match for a micro-greenhouse. They also excel in pest control, reducing the need for pesticides. Versatile for growing vegetables, herbs, flowers, and succulents. Building your own micro-greenhouse can be a rewarding and enjoyable project. Before you begin, it's important to gather all the necessary materials. For a simple DIY micro-greenhouse, you will need the following: wooden planks or PVC pipes. These will form the frame of your greenhouse. Clear plastic sheeting. This will act as the transparent covering for your greenhouse, allowing sunlight to reach your plants. Heavy-duty scissors or a utility knife for cutting the plastic sheeting to size. A staple gun or strong tape to secure the plastic sheeting to the frame. Measuring tape and marker to ensure accurate measurements during construction. Screws or nails to assemble the wooden frame if using wood. It's essential to choose materials that are durable and weather-resistant to ensure your micro-greenhouse can withstand the elements. Now that you have your materials ready, let's move on to the construction process. Follow these simple steps to build your very own micro-greenhouse. First, build the frame using wood or PVC pipes. Next, cut the plastic sheeting to fit the frame. Drape and secure the plastic sheeting over the frame. Add a door by cutting an opening in the plastic. Congratulations! You have now successfully built your own micro-greenhouse. Section 5. Equipping your micro-greenhouse. With the structure complete, it's time to equip your micro-greenhouse. Shelving maximizes space, allowing different plant levels. Monitor temperature and humidity with a thermometer and hygrometer. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent overheating. Use a drip irrigation system or watering can for efficient watering. Equip your micro-greenhouse to create a thriving environment. Section 6. Maintaining your micro-greenhouse. Maintaining your micro-greenhouse is relatively simple and straightforward. Regular upkeep will ensure your plants remain healthy and productive. Here are some essential maintenance tips. Watering. Water your plants regularly, adjusting the frequency and amount based on their specific needs and the environmental conditions inside the greenhouse. Ventilation. Open the door or vents of your micro-greenhouse regularly to promote air circulation and prevent the buildup of excessive heat or humidity. Temperature regulation. Monitor the temperature inside your greenhouse and adjust ventilation or shading as needed to maintain optimal growing conditions. Pest and disease control. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases. take prompt action to address any issues, such as using insecticidal soap or removing affected plants. By following these simple maintenance practices, you can ensure your micro-greenhouse remains a healthy and productive growing environment for years to come. Section 7. Troubleshooting common problems. Even with the best care, you may encounter some common problems in your micro-greenhouse. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Overheating. If the temperature inside your greenhouse gets too high, increase ventilation by opening vents or the door. You can also provide temporary shade using a shade cloth or even an old sheet. Excessive humidity. High humidity can lead to fungal diseases. Increase ventilation and avoid overwatering to reduce humidity levels. Pests. Inspect your plants regularly for pests. Use insecticidal soap or other organic pest control methods to address any infestations. Disease. Remove any diseased plants promptly to prevent the spread of infection. Ensure proper air circulation and avoid overwatering to discourage disease development. By being aware of these common problems and knowing how to address them, you can ensure your micro-greenhouse remains a healthy and productive growing environment. Section 8. Harvesting and enjoying your produce. The most rewarding part of having a micro-greenhouse is harvesting and enjoying the fruits or vegetables of your labor. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce almost year-round. Harvest your crops at their peak of freshness for the best flavor and nutritional value. Use your homegrown herbs and vegetables in your favorite recipes. Share your bounty with friends and family, or simply savor the satisfaction of growing your own food. Building and maintaining a micro-greenhouse is a truly rewarding experience. It allows you to connect with nature, enjoy the therapeutic benefits of gardening, and savor the delicious taste of fresh, homegrown produce. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you can grow.